What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is time to start the teardown of this bike. That is the first step to this build series, tearing it down. The only thing I'm going to be using on this Orion is the frame, the gas tank, the seat, and the foot pegs. Possibility of the brakes and stuff. I don't know if I'm going to upgrade those yet. But yes, I am tearing this sucker down. Let's jump into it. I'm not going to talk you guys' ears off. A lot of time lapse is coming up. I might stop and do some explaining of some of the stuff. Maybe some stuff that needs to be explained. But other than that, let's jump into it. Let's waste no more time. Let's get this bike torn down. All right, let me do a little explaining first. This is the Orion RXB 125. I bought it for 420 bucks. It's missing the clutch perch itself, clutch lever. It's missing the front brake lever. But other than that, the bike does run. It's pretty solid. Getting rid of that headlight, all that stuff. The 14, 17 wheels, those are coming off. It's all going to 12, 14. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty solid bike. It just needs the clutch lever and the brake lever, but I'm getting all that stuff brand new anyways. But just wanted to explain to you guys what it was, give you guys a look at it so you can see it one last time as it looks like this. Because the next time, well, not the next time you see it, because there's going to be a whole build process, but you can see what it looks like now, and then a couple videos from now, you can see the progress. Alright, so far everything is coming out pretty easy. I like how the bike is really well put together. Whoever had it before me actually took care of it. It's not missing a lot of bolts. A lot of the stuff isn't like broken and raggedy. It's actually pretty well put together, and that's pretty cool, you know, to get a used bike and stuff is actually taken care of. Now it's a little dirty, but that's about it. But other than that, it's coming along real smooth. Bike is naked. We're going to go ahead and continue to take this thing apart, and we're about to start getting into the harder stuff. So let's go ahead and get this taken off and finished. Alright, quick update on the bike. She is pretty much rolling chassis. She was bare shell. Got the motor out on the ground. Like I said, this motor runs solid. I think I'm going to list it for like 200 bucks. I was thinking 250, but 200 bucks, quick sale, get it out of here. It's 4-speed manual. Neutral, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's all up. Neutral's at the very bottom, which I like. I hate when it's 1 down, 3 up. But yeah, there she is. She is on her way to being a bare chassis. Next off, we're going to get the wheels off. We're going to get the swing arm, which is sold, by the way. And then the shock. Get all the knick-knack stuff off the frame and get ready to start sanding this frame down and getting it prepped for paint work. But yeah, there it is. A little further more to go, and she'll be completely bare. I don't know if I'm going to continue to work on it after I get it completely stripped down today, but I have the next 2 days off, so a lot's going to be getting done. Alright guys, just like that, the frame is completely bare, minus the plastic holders and the foot pegs. I got to go ahead and get those off. I'm not going to really do a time lapse or make a video of doing that. I'm going to take those off and then I'm going to go inside and get some AC because it is hot. I got some cleaning up to do. I got tools and I got parts and I got stuff everywhere just laying out here. But there's the frame right there. She is bare and it's a nice start for our platform. We got all these parts and all this stuff. Everything but the frame, subframe, gas tank, and the seat are going to be for sale. So like I said, if you need anything, hit me up, let me know. Selling the motor, it runs, it's fresh, it's got a 26mm carb on it with a uni filter. But yeah, everything else is for sale other than the swing arm too as well. That's already going to a buddy of mine. Oh, and the rear shock, I'm going to go ahead and keep that. But if you need something, let me know. The back wheel is trash. Front wheel's good. sprockets, all that stuff. But there it is. She is completely taken apart. Only took me like 2 hours. It's really hot today in Texas. It is so hot. But there it is right there. She is dismantled. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you want to continue to see this build, to see the progress, I promise you won't be disappointed. It is going to be a complete race bike build. No cutting, no corners, no nothing. I'm taking my time on it. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, which is here very soon. I got stuff on the way for this thing to get it all mocked up, and I'm going to continue to order until we complete this bad boy. See you guys. Make sure you subscribe. I'm out.